Hi guys, welcome and welcome back to the channel, and today we'll be talking on how to create your own Alipay account. We've talked about WeChat, which is a way to communicate with your supplier. See WeChat as WhatsApp, like WhatsApp, the way we handle WhatsApp. It is their own WhatsApp over there in China. Now Alipay is a way of transferring and receiving money, RMB, transferring and receiving money from yourself to your supplier, or from your exchanger to your wallet to your account, or from your account to your supplier, from your supplier to you. It is like a bank. See it like our normal bank, like UBA, Access, OPay, things we use for like banks we use for transaction. That is how Alipay is a transactional app. Is an app for transaction from you to your supplier, sending RMB to your supplier, and from your exchanger to you, sending RMB to you. You are going to be using Alipay, and this is it here. This is how Alipay looks like. Now when you're about to log into Alipay, you are going to see sign up. We are going to be signing up because I do not have an account, or I want to create a new account for this video. Now we'll tap on sign up. I'm going to sign up with, now first of all, choose the country. I will choose Nigeria because that's the country I'm currently in. Now I put in the number and tap on sign up now. And yes, of course, I'm going to tap on agree. Now this is, it said, to ensure the security of your action, please complete the verification process before proceeding. Please rotate to complete, like rotate the puzzle. I will just tap, you tap on this, you tap on the button till it looks like, oh, you can see it's coming together. So I'm just going to adjust this, and I tap on confirm. Now tap on sign up now. A verification code will be sent to my phone. It says select your country. I'm going to type on Nigeria. Good. As you can see, a new account has been created. The next thing is to tap on accounts. This particular one, tap on account. When you tap on account, then you will tap on this settings icon here. Tap on settings, then you're going to see accounts and settings, account and security. Sorry, you tap on the account and security, then you see login password. Now tap on login password. You can also input your mail. You can see email here. You can also input your mail. Let me try to put my mail. I'll put my mail and my password there. My email, I'm going to put it there. Then a verification code will be sent. I will see it here. As you can see, it said this. Do you want to change the login email? No, not now. The email is already linked. Now I will tap on login password. Tap on change now. I'm going to input my password. As you can see, it says 8 to 20 characters, numbers or letters. Now I'm going to put in the characters. As you can see, it said login password set correctly. Now after you are done, we have to link our Alipay to our 1688 app or your Taobao app, anyone you want. Well, I'm going to be linking it to 1688 first because I usually use 1688, like it is the most common app I use. Now for you that already has you already have a 1688 account, don't panic, no problem. You can actually still link it. Now if you tap on 1688, it's going to be like this. Now if you look down, If you look down, you are going to see Apple, Google, Facebook password, or there's an arrow down. You tap on it and you can see Alipay, Taobao. Now if you want to, now we are going to tap on Alipay. Agree. Yes, open. So as you can see, I'll just tap on confirm and login. Now it's done loading. I'm going to tap on the country, which is Nigeria. Okay, this is Nigeria, so I tap on Nigeria. Okay, then I'm going to put in my phone number that I used to open that same Alipay. Now I tap on get code. Now the code may delay, but thankfully they gave it to us without delaying. So I'm going to tap on the code and I tap on confirm, and you can see it says logging in. It's checking for security setting. Yes, has been verified. You see, one thing I would advise you is that when you are doing this thing, don't tap on anything until it clears away. Don't tap on anything till it clears away. Trust me, this can be so annoying sometimes. Now confirm to link. And that code will be sent. The code has been sent to us. As you can see, the code has been sent, and just like that, my 1688 and my Alipay has been linked together. My 1688 account and my Alipay has been linked together. So one thing is to ensure that the same information you opened with your 1688 is the same thing you have on your Alipay. The same number, the same password. Don't change anything. So when you try to log in, you log in with your Alipay. Instead of the normal way, you log in with your Alipay and everything comes up together. Don't try to open with a different type of account. So you see, when I tap on my cart, you can see the items. You can see the items I have on my cart before. These are the items I have on my cart that I have not cleared, or some have cleared but still added it because I feel I'm going to buy again. You can see my nothing changed. You can see my address is here. My address is here. Nothing in my account changed. My account was not swapped. It was just linked to the Alipay account, as you can see. So the same account, the same number, the same password, the same everything you put on your 1688 must be the same thing you put on your Alipay. So when you want to log in into your Alipay, you just log in through your Alipay on your 1688, because if you are someone that you pay your items yourself, if you are someone that you pay your item yourself, you are going to need Alipay. See, if you do not pay your item yourself, if it's a shipping company, if it's a shipping agent that pays your item for you, that pays your China suppliers for you, you don't need Alipay. To be honest, you don't need Alipay because you are not paying yourself. But this is for people like us that we pay for our accounts ourselves. We need Alipay, and for you to have a verified Alipay, you must be able to connect your 1688 to your Alipay. I hope we understand this video, and this video has taught us something. So if you like this video, please just give a like and just drop a comment, and I will really appreciate it. Thank you very much. We'll see again in the next video. Bye bye guys.